Oatmeal cookies could be your ticket to financial freedom, and I'm about to show you how. Who wouldn't love a warm, chewy oatmeal cookie fresh from the oven? But beyond their delicious taste, oatmeal cookies hold a secret. They can be a gateway to financial success. Think about it. What if your favorite hobby could also be a lucrative business? There's a common misconception that homemade treats like oatmeal cookies are just for personal enjoyment, not a means to generate income. Many of us bake for pleasure, sharing our creations with family and friends, but this view overlooks the potential for growth and profit. Homemade goods have a unique charm that can attract customers. With the right approach, what starts as a hobby can evolve into a thriving business. The truth is, people are willing to pay for high-quality, unique products. By perfecting your oatmeal cookie recipe and understanding your market, you can turn your passion into a profitable venture. You might start by selling at local markets or events. This not only helps you gauge customer interest but also provides valuable feedback. You could also leverage social media to gain traction. Platforms like Instagram and Facebook are perfect for showcasing your products and connecting with potential customers. Let's talk about different ways to monetize your oatmeal cookies. You could start small, selling to friends and family, and then expand to local bakeries or cafes. Partnering with businesses can help you reach a wider audience. Another strategy is to create a brand around your cookies, emphasizing their uniqueness and your story. This can help you stand out in a crowded market. Meet Emma, who turned her oatmeal cookie recipe into a profitable online business. She started by selling to friends and family, then expanded to social media. Her big break came when a local food blogger featured her cookies. Emma's success was not overnight, but her persistence and creativity paid off. She focused on using high-quality ingredients and engaging with her customers, which helped her build a loyal following. Emma's story isn't unique, but it does highlight key strategies for success. First, find your niche. In this case, unique oatmeal cookie flavors. Second, build a strong online presence. And third, engage with your customers. By following these steps, you can turn your passion into a profitable business. In conclusion, oatmeal cookies can indeed be a source of wealth if approached creatively. They offer a delicious entry point into the world of entrepreneurship. So think about how you can turn your favorite hobby into a lucrative business. If you've ever baked oatmeal cookies for profit or have a killer recipe, comment below with your story. And if you're interested in turning your baking skills into a small business, check out my other video on getting started.